An electronics tycoon is suing the real estate agent who he claims persuaded him to knock £4.5 million off his own, only to later discover the mystery buyer was billionaire Jeff Bezos. Leo Chris, co-founder of Brazilian toy and electronics company Tectoy, has been left furious after being prevented from learning the identity of the Amazon boss. He sold his Miami Beach property for £60.5 million, knocking off millions to secure the sale. Now he has sued Douglas Elliman, whose CEO allegedly told the mogul that Bezos was not the buyer of the home. Kress owned the 7-bedroom, 14-bathroom mansion on Indian Creek Island's waterfront, also known as the Billionaire Bunker. Other famous residents include Jared Kushner, Ivanka Trump, and American football star Tom Brady. The Brazilian mogul bought the property, which boasts a wine cellar, library, theater, and pool, in 2014 for £21.45 million. Kress listed the mansion for sale in May last year at £65 million. A month later, Bezos, whose net worth is valued by the Bloomberg Billionaires Index at £155 billion, bought the property next door, a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, for £52 million. According to the Wall Street Journal, Kress received a £60.5 million offer for his estate a short time later. The businessman then inquired whether Bezos was the one who had put forward the offer. According to the lawsuit filed in Florida State Court, Douglas Elliman CEO Jay Parker personally phoned Kress. He assured him that Bezos was not the buyer and that the purchaser would not agree to pay more than £60.5 million for the property. Kress then agreed to cut the asking price by more than 7%, but after closing, he learned that the purchaser was an entity tied to Bezos. The billionaire founded Amazon in 1994 from a garage in Seattle, with his parents investing almost £200,000 into his online bookstore. Since then, he has spent tens of millions on property and planes. In February 2020, he bought a 9-acre property from billionaire David Geffen for £125 million. It was the most expensive home ever sold in the Los Angeles area. His home base, a lake house in Medina, Washington, is estimated to be worth £23 million, with his neighbor being Gates. In Washington, D.C., Bezos owns a 27,000-square-foot, £21 million home that, and its most expensive house in the affluent Kalorama neighborhood, where he counts former President Barack and Michelle Obama as neighbors. The tycoon's mansion was formerly a museum that underwent £11 million renovation, including the addition of a whiskey cellar and a marble staircase. While not collecting homes, Bezos is famous for his...
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more news updates. Hit subscribe for the latest news.